Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reinstall your macOS. It's going to be the simplest process on your Mac because there is already a system that is pre-installed into your macOS, which is called the recovery mode. So whenever you're restarting your laptop, what you want to do is spam command R. And when you go ahead and do that, it's going to simply go ahead and install the latest last version of your OS. If that doesn't work, you want to go ahead and press Command Option R. And if that also doesn't work, then the last thing that you want to use is Command Option Shift R. What the last command will do is it will download the third generation or the one before the previous version of your Mac OS, and it's going to simply go ahead and start up, and then you can re-download and do it. So I was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.